Welcome to channel CSA and IT subjects. In this series of videos, we are discussing about the data structures, questions and answers for the competitive exams. If you found this content is useful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. The question is this: the breadth-first search algorithm has been implemented using the queue data structures. One possible order of visiting the nodes of the following graph is here. They have given a graph, and they are asking. In given options, which one is the BFS traversal for a given graph? So we have already seen about BFS in your data structures videos. So BFS is the first search is nothing but visiting each and every vertex of the graph, at least visiting each and every vertex of the graph exactly once without forming any loops. So for that purpose, we use the queue data structures. How you implement the queue BFS traversal by using the queue data structure is: first you select any one of the node as a starting vertex, and we insert the all adjacent non-visited vertex of that selected vertex to the queue, and we repeat this process until all our nodes done. So here we go through the options first. Here in the first option, the starting node is M. That means they started the visiting from the M. So according to our principle, we have to insert all adjacent non-visited vertex of the M if we started the visiting from the M into the queue. So what are the adjacent non-visited vertex of the M? N, Q, R. Right? Next, we have to select the element that is at the front of the queue, and we have to remove the element from the queue, and again we have to insert the non-visited adjacent vertex of this N into the queue. So what are the adjacent non-visited vertex of the N? M. M is already inserted or visited, and Q is also already in the queue. And next O, we have the O. We visited N now. Now delete the element from the front of the queue, that is Q. So in the given option, they have given M and O, but we are getting M and Q. So remove the first option from our results. Next, in the next option, we have the visiting starts from the N. So now we start the visiting from the N and insert the adjacent non-visited vertex of the N into the queue. What are the adjacent non-visited vertex of the N? Q, M, O. Now remove the elements from the front of the queue and mark it as a visited. So front of the Q element is there, and we have marked it as a visited. And what are the adjacent non-visited vertex of the Q? Q, M, P. M is already in the queue, so insert the P into the queue. Now, what is the front of the queue? M. Remove M and write the adjacent non-visited vertex into the queue, or Qn. Q is already visited, and N is also visited. Now insert the R element into the queue. Now remove the element from the front of the queue, that is O. So here on our sequence we got N, Q, M, O, but here it is N, Q, M, P, O, R. So remove this also from our result. Now the next starting element is Q. So mark Q as a visited and insert the element adjacent non-visited vertex of the Q into the queue. So what are the adjacent non-visited vertex of the queue? M, N, Q, M, N, P. M, N, P. Now remove the M from the front of the queue and mark it as a visited, and insert the adjacent non-visited vertex of the M into the queue. N is already in the queue, and insert the R into the queue. Now in front of the queue N is there, and remove it from the queue and mark it as a visited, and insert the adjacent non-visited vertex of the n into the q. For adjacent non-visited vertex of the n and that is on the q is O. So insert it. Now remove the p and mark it as a visited and no adjacent non-visited vertex, and remove the R and mark it as a visited and remove the O and mark it as a visited. For P or O there are no adjacent non-visited vertex. So the resultant sequence of the BFS for the given graph is Q, M, N, P, R, O, that is C. This is how we implement the BFS traversal for a given graph in the Q data structure. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends.